Okay, guys, when you start your stained glass window tree, okay, when you start, you're going to make your trunk first. So I've made my trunk on one side. It comes down and kicks out, comes down and kicks out. Then when I go to put my lines in, the way I start is I pretend like I'm looking at a clock, and there's 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? So I just go one way, like this. And then I do the same thing on the other side. I go across. Okay, and then every once in a while I make branches that come off of them. Ooh, I don't like that one. Okay, and when I'm think I've got enough lines, like that's enough lines, I think. Okay, that looks pretty good. Then I'm ready to pick my 3 colors. Like on this one I did orange, pink, and maroon. And the whole thing is you can't touch a color to itself. It can touch on the corners, like I have these pinks touching on the corners, but they don't have a flat side against each other. Now it might happen, there's a couple spots where it happened, but not a big deal. And then you go back over at the very end with black. But the middle, the sky area, will be blues and purples and turquoise, and the bottom will be greens and light and dark